Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up a phishing detection and prevention tool for your company. So let's get right into this. I built out this diagram to show the process of this tool we are going to build out, and we are going to be building this tool in Python. But this is the process of what we are going to do. So this tool relies on an API called DNS Fosa, and DNS Fosa is an API that generates a list of similar domains to your domain and gives you this list. So let's check out this whole process, and in the next video we're going to be building out this tool. So we have a whitelist here, and this whitelist contains a list of safe domains in our organization, and we have our main domain here, HailBytes.com. So let's just go to the draw mode so we can highlight a few things here. So HailBytes.com is our main domain, and we feed HailBytes.com into DNS Fosa, which is this API we talked about. So DNS Fosa generates a list of forced domains. We have HailBytes.com, 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 and NailBytes.com. So these are possible domains that can be used for phishing against our organization. And the next step is to pass these domains into another checker. So our program is going to pass all these domains into a response code checker. So if we get a response 200, that means the domain is live, and we'll have another list of live domains. This list will be compared with our whitelist. And if any of the domains here is in our whitelist, that means that domain is not a phishing domain. That means that domain is safe for us. Another check we can possibly do is check if any of these domains have an active email server, and we can try to send emails and see if our email gets delivered. So if it gets delivered, that means that domain is set up to receive email addresses, and that can be another indication that this domain has been set up for phishing against our website. So that's another check you can run, but for this demonstration we'll just be checking if the website, if that domain is live, if that domain has a website on it. So this other list here is the list of live domains. Then it's going to compare these live domains with our whitelist. So it's going to check, is HailBytes.com in the whitelist? Then this is safe. It's going to check, is HailBytes in the whitelist? HailBytes is not in the whitelist. Is HailBytes in the whitelist? HailBytes is in the whitelist, and this is safe. So it's going to pass the domains here that are not in the whitelist to a blacklist. So this is a blacklist. Now we have a list of possible phishing domains. We can do different things with these domains we have here to prevent our organization from phishing attacks. We can, let's call this post. Let's call this post. Then we can send an email. So this will just be like an alert telling all our users, all our customers to avoid this domain. So another thing we can do after we have our blacklist is we can block this domain from our network. So we can filter this domain probably in a rule in our firewall. So anytime our staff tries to browse over to this domain, it will not resolve. So they won't be able to use this website at all. Another thing we can do is filter this from our emails. So we can create a spam filter in our email. So anytime our users or our staff receives an email from this domain, it's just go directly to the spam box. It's not going to go into the inbox. So these are three things we can do in post after we have our blacklist. And this is the whole process we need to take to generate that list, DNS Fosa being the backbone of the process. So this is the whole process we're going to take in programming our phishing detection and prevention tool. And this is one of the most practical ways you can prevent phishing in an organization. So we look at all the processes taken to prevent a phishing attack. We have user training and awareness, where we train users on how to avoid phishing links and phishing attacks. We have phishing simulations, and all those just falls down to awareness. But this is a practical approach you can implement in your organization to automatically detect and prevent these phishing attacks. I hope this whole explanation was clear. In the next video, we'll be programming out all this in Python. I hope you learned something from this. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.